Hello everybody, welcome to the video. This is going to be about how to make your first pull request with the script that you've made. If you're not familiar with how to make a script, how to build your IDE, and how to create a plugin for the Microbot client, then please watch the previous video that will be linked here. Otherwise, this is how you're going to do your pull request, which is to ask the owner of the project to review and to accept or comment or reject your script. So you're going to go into your IntelliJ, your IDE, which we set up in the last video, which was linked earlier, and you're going to go down here. You're going to go and type git status. Okay, you're going to see a bunch of reds. You could see some greens, but what we're looking for is these links here, these red links which will say untracked. And what you're going to do is you're going to type git add, and you're going to highlight this link and whichever one you want to add to the repo, and you're going to copy and paste that. So it's going to be git add, copy and paste that pathway, and then you're going to now press enter, and you're going to say now git commit -m, and then in quotations you're going to put your commit message. So you could put this is my script, which isn't very informative, but this is just an example. Then you're going to press enter, and you're going to press git push, and this will push it to your repo, to your forked repo of Microbot. Then you're going to go into your GitHub account, and you're going to go to your repo page, and you are going to click open pull request. Now this page and fork was created in our previous video, so follow along that to get to this point. Now once you click open pull request, well, you've opened your pull request, you've done it. Now it's up to the Microbot owner to review it. So a couple of things is you need to be having the most latest version of your IDE, and you want to be on the development branch. So the method we're going to do now is we're going to type in the terminal in the IDE, and we're going to get onto the development branch. So to do this, we're going to write git checkout development, and now that we're on the development branch, which is where you're going to be developing, so that's the branch you want to be on. It has all the updated stuff, and then every now and again the main branch gets updated. The development branch has all the basically daily updates. So right, we're gonna go over another thing to make sure that we're the most updated before we do our commits and pushes and pull requests, because you can get some issues if you are making pull requests and you're not fully updated. There can be issues. And what we're going to do is essentially create an upstream thing, and then this is how you create that upstream. If you followed along with the previous video, you would get the link, the GitHub link, the https github/shizami/microbot. We obtained that link in the previous video. We're now going to use it. However, we're going to put .git at the end of it, and we're going to type this in, remote add upstream, and then the link, and we're going to put that link, and we've got our upstream sorted. So now that we got our upstream sorted, we are most certainly on the development branch, which we've just done a bit earlier. We're now going to make sure that we're up to date, so we're going to do that by typing this, git stash -u, git fetch upstream, git rebase upstream /development, git stash apply, and then git push. You can see in the photo here, this is what you want to be typing out. And this is going to update everything to the latest version. And you have now created an upstream version, which is the actual updated version. And you're now moving your project to that upstream version. And before you do all that, you've stashed your changes that you've made. And now you're applying your changes after you've moved to this upstream version, which is the most updated version. So you can get some issues when you do this, where you have to resolve conflicts. We'll discuss that in a further video. However, for the most part, you'll have these red lines saying untracked, and you're going to do what we did earlier, git add, and then copy and paste those lines from the classes that you've edited, and then you're going to put git commit, and then your commit message, you're going to do git push. This is going to push it to your repo. Then you go to your github.com repo and you click pull request, and now you've done your pull request. So after it's done all its internal checks and all that, then it's just up to Microbot to be reviewed, and that's about it, guys. So any questions, leave them in the comments, subscribe, and keep updated, because more videos are coming, so that you can become very, very acquainted with how to make and commit your Microbot scripts.